This video is about how to ensure that the pattern is printed in the designated position. First, wrap a piece of paper around the roller and secure it with tape. As you can see, there is a logo in the position corresponding to the heel of the socks in this design draft. There is a laser device above the machine. Align the position in the pattern that corresponds to the back of the sock with the laser. Then make a mark at the position where the laser falls on the roller at this moment. Now we've put a sock on the roller. Find the laser and align the mark on the roller with the laser. Then find the exact back of the sock. Align it with the laser. Ultimately, both the marks on the roller and the exact back of the sock should align with the laser. Print the design on this sock. As you can see, the pattern is printed in the designed position. Check again at this time, both the marks on the roller and the exact back of the sock still aligned with the laser.